If you have a house in Hebron, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Hebron. And the reason so many sellers like working with us is we're going to keep it easy for you from beginning to end because we're a true cash buyer, and that means we're not relying on some bank or some lender, some mortgage company to approve us. When you're working with a buyer that's relying on one of those, mortgage company or a bank or a lender, then there's a lot of hoops that you need to jump through. You're going to have formal inspections, formal appraisals, and a lot of time in between the first phone call that you make until the inspections and the appraisals. And every day that goes by that you haven't sold the house is another day that you're paying expenses and holding costs, right? You got property taxes, you got insurance, you got utilities, you got a mortgage maybe, and it all just comes right off your bottom line. The best thing that people that we work with, they love is we can close on the date of your choice. We're not relying on a mortgage or a bank approval, and since we're buying the house for cash, we're also going to buy the house as is. So that means you don't have to fix anything, you don't got to clean, you don't have to haul anything away, no trips to the Home Depot, no trips to Ace Hardware or Lowe's, and you don't have to hire a handyman and then they don't show up, or a contractor and work on their timeline. And it's a nightmare sometimes for some people who just want to sell a house and they're jumping through all these hoops and working with a buyer that's relying on a bank and working with contractors. It could be a nightmare. It doesn't have to be, and it won't be when you work with us. We've been buying houses in Hebron, all around Ohio, all around Central Ohio for many years. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials because we're going to keep it easy. We're going to keep it fair. We're local. We're not a call center. This isn't where you're calling in and we're just here to get your information so we can sell it to a real estate company. It doesn't work that way at all. We're the direct buyer, so when you sell to us, there's no fees, no commissions. And in a nutshell, we're not going to waste your time. We're not going to blow smoke. If we're not a good fit for you, we'll just shake hands and part as friends. You have nothing to lose whatsoever by giving us a call, having a conversation. It's going to be me that you speak with, right? Or someone on my team, but more than likely it's going to be me. And we're going to figure out real quick if we're a good fit for each other. And if not, no crime, no foul. There's no bad taste in your mouth. There's no pressure, sales tactics, gimmicks. We're not trying to force you into something. Doesn't work that way at all. Been around a long time. We're very proud of what we do. Proud Central Ohio residents, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's how you deserve to be treated. So if you have a house in Hebron, you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.